Have you ever seen an ICU wants to compete with Google? I know it's weird and illogical, but we have seen lately an ICU project that has the potential to take over the Google Maps. Hello, what's going on, Crypto Nation? This is Nor here from CryptoGator. Today with another ICU review. We've been reviewing plenty of ICUs, and still, it seems that 2018 is the year of ICUs doublessly. Our ICU of the day is NaviAddress, the first global decentralized digital addressing system on the blockchain. NaviAddress has been working on this for several years already and have a team with VC experience. They have their app on App Store and Google Play with more than 100,000 downloads in integration with Uber and partnership with Booking.com and PDP. This is really tremendous. Never seen such a big achievement with other ICUs. To have a partnership with Booking.com and Uber, so you are already there. You are already know what you are doing, and people acknowledge what are you in. NaviAddress is perfect for drone delivery with Z access support, solving any translation and last mile navigation issues while also providing an address for the 4 billion people. Yes, 4 billion people. Between brackets, it's 50% of world's population that has no address right now. Actually, NaviAddress focalizes more on industries of e-commerce, delivery and fulfillment, hotels, restaurants, cafes, smart cities and governments, taxi and transportation, above the line advertisement, autonomous vehicles, real estate, and IoT. These are the industries that NaviAddress is really interested in and working on. That was really a brief introductory to the NaviAddress ICU and its promising projects. So let's have a look at their website and see what's going on right there. Actually, the first impression you get when you browse the website for the first time is the professionalism and the neat design. Basically, what attracts me most in the homepage is this little rounding earth along its captivating city symbols. That what makes the NaviAddress special. If we happen to click on a particular symbol, for example, let's click on the statues of liberty here. It will redirect us to the exact address and the mail address of it, as you can see here below. One Liberty Island, Lease Island, New York, 10,004 USA. So yeah, that's the power of NaviAddress. It really redirects us to where it exists along the exact address that is working with the mail. And that's a problem solver in itself, because lately we've been seeing a lot of people complaining about their deliveries and post addresses issues. I think NaviAddress has this solution for that, because it points you where and exactly where you wanna be, or where you wanna point yourself. So as I told you, that's what I like most in the interface of NaviAddress. So we have here their white paper and some terms, terms of Navi token sale. You can have a look on that, guys. I'm not gonna go into it because if I do, we would have a 1 hour video or more. So this is their white paper. So it's powered by Chainium. This is disclaimer. This is the table of content. If you wanna go in depth, reading insightful information about the Navi address, you should really go to this roadmap. So we have why Navi address, the need of comprehensive addressing, geographical coordinates, postal addresses, and so on. You can read this little booklet, guys, to really understand what is Navi address about. So as I told you guys, this is the website. It is really professional. We have really professional videos here, well-made videos. People talk professionally. I have actually nothing to criticize about this ICU. This ICU is very, very, very interesting. If you ask me if I'm gonna invest in it, I would surely and doubtlessly say yes, because it's really worth investing. If you go and see the team behind this ICU, you will be surprised, because you're really gonna find some big names in different disciplines and fields. So this is, you can go and see their LinkedIn accounts and their experiences, and their CVs here, everything, one by one, if you are interested in the team. And you should have actually a look at their team, because their team is really great. I can't describe their team. So yeah, that's pretty much it about Navy address. So that's very easy if you wanna buy some ICUs, because as you can see here, we have ICU phase 2 is live now until the 6th of March. So we have on the 3rd of March. So you have, guys, 3 days left to get benefit from the third phase of Navi address ICU. What you have to do is simple, is to click on registration. I'm not gonna put any referral link or something below. So you only need to create your account, validate your email, and go and transfer your BTC into Navi address. And yeah, enjoy buying Navi address ICUs, and have a great investments. So that's pretty much it, guys, about the Navi address for today. I hope I cover all the information I have to say about this ICU. This is really, really professional and interesting ICU. I thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and don't forget, I insist on this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and why not give me your opinion about this ICU right below in the comments.